October's arrived here at Live Well Chiropractic, and we couldn't be more excited. It's this month, over 125 years ago, that chiropractic was first started. And we want to throw a big celebration to celebrate all the great chiropractors who have helped advance and make chiropractic the #1 natural health profession in the world in those 125 years. We also want to celebrate all of our great practice members like you who make Live Well great, and why all of the doctors are excited to show up every single day to help serve you and take care of you. So this month, for every visit you come in the office, you get to enter into one of our drawings for our prizes. All you have to do is answer a question about our chiropractic history. Don't worry, we'll give you the answer. And if you get the answer correctly, you get to win one of our great prizes, like a free massage. We're giving away free nutritional support, free nutritional evaluation with Veronica, all kinds of great prizes that you get a chance to win. And all you have to do is show up and answer the question, and we'll help you with doing the rest. Part of this month is we also are having our fall open house. It's actually going to be on Thursday, October 29th at 6:30. It's a great opportunity for you to bring your friends and family that you've been wishing that would come to our office to really get an opportunity to see what it is that we do here. We'll be having all of our scanning equipment to be able to do our nutritional scan, our thermal scans, all this stuff will be here. We have free chair massages, we'll have food. We're going to have a wonderful presentation talking about the things that are preventing people from getting healthy and well. And we'll also be going new patient discounts. And also Veronica will be here doing free blood work, lab work readings. So if you have blood work and lab work, bring them in, and Veronica will tell you what's going on in the nutrition that you need to change that. So it's going to be a wonderful evening, great opportunity for you to bring all your family and friends to really see what Live Well is about and actually have a great fun time celebrating this whole entire month. We're also going to encourage you another healthy thing to keep you healthy going into the winter months. Is a thing that my wife and I have done for the last 10 years, is doing a fall detox, where we actually do a 10-day program that actually detoxes our body and prepares us for this transition into winter. It's one of the best, healthiest things that I have ever done. I look forward to every fall to be able to do that and cleanse myself and renew myself and feel so much better. I sleep better, digestive system is better, my energy is better, my clarity of thought is so much better. So if you haven't done a detox, at least in the last 3 or 4 months, this is the month to do it. So just contact our office or look up Veronica, our nutritionist. She can also get you set up with one of our detox programs. So can't wait to celebrate an amazing month all month long with you. So check out everything else we have going on this month on our Facebook page and also on our newsletter. Look forward to having a great time serving you and helping you lead the best, healthiest life possible.